Alright, so welcome to the second Fusion 360 tutorial by me, and here I'm going to show you how to design this special illusion of text. So as you can see, from one side it can read Phoenix, and from the other side, if you change the view, it can read Fusion. So it's basically a illusion kind of text stand, you could say. So I'm going to show you how to design this. Mm, so let's start with a new design, and I'm going to show the origin. So I'm going to click on the origin I tab here so I can see the origin right now. And so right now I'm going to create a sketch on the YZ plane, and I'm going to create a sketch. So here I'm going to write the one of the words that I'm going to need for the illusion. So I'm going to click on the text here, and I'm going to click on the center, and I'm going to give the height, let's say 30 millimeters, and the text would be Fusion. Alright, so let me select a font also that would be suitable. So I like this one, so bold and italics. Alright, so finish sketch, that's it. So that is one of the parts done. So also I'm going to create one more of this text on the XZ plane, so that is this one. So I'm going to create the sketch there, and there you go. So the same process for creating the sketch. I'm going to click on the sketch text tab here, and then I'm going to click on the letter A, and I'm going to insert Phoenix there. Adjust the height to 30 millimeters. I need to rotate it back properly. Okay, and I need to change the font. Okay, so that's it. So this is also done. So as you can see, I got one the Fusion on this side and Phoenix on this side. So I need to project. So let's first extrude Phoenix onto here. So I'm going to do this by extruding it towards the center of the junction between Fusion and Phoenix. So that's it. I'm going to do this like this. So as you can see, I'm extruding it as long as this Fusion, a bit longer than this text. So okay, it's done. So now I'm going to click on Fusion and extrude Fusion by clicking on E. And so right now it is cutting into this text, so but I don't want it to cut it, I want to intersect. So I'm going to click on operations here and intersect. Okay, right now it became yellow, so I'm going to click okay right now. So right now, as you can see, the illusion is partially done. So what is now left to do? I need to get rid of all the extra text, extra words that I have. There's a bunch of objects right now. I just did the diagonal ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna click on expand the bodies here. Okay, see there's a huge list of bodies. So there are 36 bodies right now. So I'm going to create a group. So this is just for so that I can separate the bodies that I need and the ones that I don't need. So the ones I'm going to need that I will be needing, let's name it text. Okay, and let's figure out which ones they are. So I need the diagonal ones. So let me view from this side. Okay, now I can see which one are the diagonals. So this is the one of the diagonals. So which one is it? It is body number 32. So I'm going to drag body number 32 into text, and let's hide text for right now. And what is this one? This is body number 1. This is the second element of the diagonal. What about this? This would be body number 31. So as you can see, when I'm clicking here, the body number 31 gets highlighted here. So that's how I am knowing which body is which one. So after that, it will be this one. This would be body number 24, and then I'm clicking on this one. This one would be body number 18. And then it would be, I'm clicking on this one. This is body number 15. All right, so that's done. So as I can see, I got all the diagonal elements right now, and I'm going to create another group to get rid of the ones that I don't need. So unwanted, I'm going to create another group called unwanted. and I'm going to select everything else and drag it into this unwanted group so that I can hide it later. Alright, so that is also done. So I just need the wanted group. So as you can see, I got this part right now. Great. So I got the fusion, I got the phoenix. Now I just need to create a base. So I'm going to click on the lower part. I'm going to create a sketch here, and I'm going to go on the corner, and I'm going to select this. I'm going to project. So I'm going to project. So in order to project a point from another body or a sketch that is not this one, I'm going to click on P. So there's a shortcut for P, and as you can see, this is already selected. So I'm just that got projected, and I clicked on OK. I'm going to click on bottom right now, and I'm going to create a rectangle from this projected point to the center, and then I'm going to draw a line by clicking the L button, that is the shortcut for line, and I'm going to click on D, dimensions. So this will create a dimension between this and this one. I want to add an angle of 45 degrees, so this would be really good. Okay, and I also want another line from here to here. Again, the angle between this one and this one would be 45 degrees. Alright, so that looks great. I'm going to click on finish sketch, and that's it. So now I'm going to extrude this part a bit downwards first, and then a bit upwards towards the top also slightly, so that this the S, the U, and all those can get connected perfectly. So I'm just going to, let's not much, I'm going to just pull it up, let's say 1 millimeter or maybe 2 millimeters. 2 would be great. Okay, so okay, I just reduce this one a bit. That's just too much, so let's say -3. That would be good, I guess. Okay, you know what, I'm going to go on the last sketch that I just made right now, and I'm going to create an offset. I'm going to offset this entire thing. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete that rectangle that we drew earlier, and I'm using lines to completely circle this part out. Where was that one? Where was the point? Yes, here it is. Alright, so that's done. Okay, so and also I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Okay, I'm going to offset it by 5 centimeters right now, and that's it, finished. So the earlier two of the extrusions, I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to do a new one using the ones that I made right now. So I made the platform a bit thicker. So I can also use two-sided extrusion to do both of them in the single go. So I have changed that one. I have changed the operation to join here. So that's it. Also, if I wanted to let's say color this one, I could just go to text and appearance, and I could just select any of the appearance. So here let's say aluminum red. So I got this red color out here. So great, that's it. And if I would like to let's modify it a bit more. Okay, so okay, I don't want to see the origin right now. Okay, that's it. So let's add some chamfers. So in order to add chamfers, I can go to modify tab and click on chamfers, and I'm going to click the edges of the top of the plate. All right, so that's selected. And 2 looks great. So here it is Fusion, here it is Phoenix. All right, thanks for watching, have a nice day.